If you're tired of rolling blackouts, grid instability, or rising energy costs, then it's time you took control of your power. With Big Battery's UL certified 48-volt ETHOS systems, gaining energy independence in your residential home or commercial office building has never been easier. Whether you're looking to outfit your family home or cabin with a powerful solar system, or you're looking to provide multi-day backup power for your business, the ETHOS is your answer. The ETHOS is certified to the highest level, including UN 38.3, UL 1973, and UL 9540A for each battery module. And when paired with a Lux inverter, your whole system is UL 9540 certified. These certifications afford you the ability to grid tie your power system, allowing you to benefit from tax incentives, net metering programs, and capitalize on peak shaving, effectively reducing your monthly electricity bill to next to nothing. Plus, these certifications allow you to install your system with confidence, knowing that you can pair the ETHOS with the variety of 48-volt inverters available today. Due to the stackable modular construction of the ETHOS, these systems are incredibly installer-friendly. This unique design combines a robust control unit with segmented battery modules, allowing for a wide range of system configurations and easy expandability down the road. Plus, with all cables and components included, you're able to mount your ETHOS directly to your wall quickly and easily. Due to this scalable UL certified system design, the ETHOS can be installed in every home in America. Let's take a closer look at some of the advanced features that make the ETHOS such a cutting-edge solution for your home or office. The ETHOS was designed to maximize the longevity and visibility of your power. A single ETHOS battery contains over 5 kilowatt-hours of capacity and utilizes Tier 1 LiPo4 cells, the safest chemistry on the market today. These batteries are regulated through the ETHOS control box, which comes equipped with our advanced BMS, capable of automatically balancing the battery cells as needed. As a home or business owner, you shouldn't have to blindly trust that your power is working for you. You should be able to see it firsthand. The ETHOS control box makes this easier than ever, with an LED smart display on the front of the unit, as well as full CAN bus and RS-485 communication protocols. These components work together to guarantee that you have long-lasting power for years to come. And an IP65 rated casing ensures that your power is always protected from dust, moisture, or other contaminants. So whether your system is being installed inside your family home or on the outside of your countryside homestead, you can be confident your ETHOS system will provide reliable power through every season. But that's not all. We pair the ETHOS with high-performance Lux Power inverters to create our UL-certified ETHOS ESS solutions. Our systems allow for more comprehensive system monitoring, and these 12,000-watt inverters can handle even the most robust power systems. With 3 MPPT inputs and the ability to support solar arrays of up to 18,000 watts. But rest assured, if you already have an inverter of your own, the ETHOS is compatible with most 48-volt inverters available on the market today. Our ETHOS solution is offered in a range of system configurations, from 10 kilowatt-hours up to 600 kilowatt-hours, and anywhere in between. So regardless of how much power you need, we have you covered. Ensure your home and your family is powered and prepared with an advanced lithium power system, supported by American engineering, unmatched safety and reliability, a comprehensive 10-year warranty, and US-based support. To get a closer look at the all-new 48-volt ETHOS, click the link in the description below.